If you need a faster way to come up with social media marketing ideas, ChatGPT can save you a huge amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for social media marketing ideas, from generating content ideas to building a full content plan and refining your results for better engagement. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and marketing tips. Let's jump right in. The first step is to open ChatGPT and ask for ideas with a clear prompt. The more direct you are, the better the results will be. Instead of saying something vague like, "Give me ideas," be specific. For example, you could type, "Give 10 social media content ideas for a fitness brand." This gives ChatGPT a clear goal to work with, so it can generate ideas that are actually relevant instead of generic. Once you get your first batch of ideas, look through them and see which ones fit your brand, your niche, and your audience. The second step is to define your audience and your platform. This is where your prompts become much more powerful. Social media content is not one size fits all, so you want ChatGPT to know where the content is going and who it's for. You can add details like Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube, and also describe your target audience. For example, you could say, "Give me social media ideas for Instagram targeting young professionals." Now, ChatGPT can tailor the tone, style, and format much more accurately. If your audience is beginners, the content should feel simple and educational. If your audience is business owners, the ideas should be more strategic and value-driven. The third step is to generate a content plan. This is where ChatGPT becomes more than just an idea generator and starts acting like a real marketing assistant. Instead of asking for one post at a time, ask it to create a full plan. For example, you can prompt, "Create a 7-day content calendar with captions and hashtags." This gives you a full strategy in one go and helps you stay consistent across the week. You can also ask for different content types, like reels, carousel posts, story ideas, hooks, or even call to action suggestions. If you want to save even more time, ask ChatGPT to organize the content by day, platform, and goal. That way, you are not just getting random ideas, you're getting a usable publishing plan. The fourth step is to refine and optimize the results. This is where you turn decent ideas into stronger marketing content. If the output feels too basic, you can simply ask ChatGPT to improve it. Try prompts like, "Make it more viral," "Add hooks," or "Write captions." You can also ask it to make the content more engaging, more professional, more conversational, or more sales-focused, depending on your goal. The best part is that you can keep iterating until the output matches your brand voice. If one idea is close but not perfect, ask ChatGPT to rewrite it with a different tone or make it shorter for social media. This back-and-forth process is one of the fastest ways to get high-quality content ideas without starting from scratch every time. Another useful tip is to combine all 4 steps into one workflow. You can ask ChatGPT for content ideas, specify the audience and platform, request a full calendar, and then refine the output until it is ready to use. That makes ChatGPT extremely useful for creators, marketers, freelancers, and small business owners who need consistent social media content without spending hours brainstorming. The key is to be specific, give context, and keep improving the prompt until the results are exactly what you want. So if you've been wondering how to use ChatGPT for social media marketing ideas, now you have a simple system you can follow every time. Start with clear ideas, define your audience, build a content plan, and then refine the results for maximum impact. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.